Hi everyone, welcome to the most user-friendly hospital management software of this year. Software and reports are developed in NABH and ISO standards. It is very simple and user-friendly software. See. That's all. Software works very fast and it is 100% secure. It is suitable for small clinic to multi-specialty hospitals. We designed all options and features in a simple and user-friendly manner which anyone can use of their own without any special training. It is an offline and online software, which means you can use as offline software and online software. If you are using offline software, you can keep your data securely in Google Drive. We have integrated Google Drive, Amazon Clouds. If you are using offline software, you can keep your data securely in Google Drive because Google Drive, Amazon Cloud Storage all are integrated with our software. If user deletes or alter any bill, instantly you will get SMS notification like this. SMS, we have integrated SMS and email option on every module for alter and delete. You will get the daily statement in SMS and email format. We do WhatsApp message also based on your requirements. So our software is 100% secure. In the home page itself, you can able to view the summary of reports like today pharmacy sales, today OP bills, IP bills, number of lab tests, number of new patients, stock summary, expiry reports and short expiry, number of items, reorder level, patient balance, supplier balance and number of vouchers, IP advance and supplier overdues. Let's see the modules and options of this beautiful software. First one is outpatient module. New patient or review patient. It is UHID based software. So for new patient, UHID will get generated automatically. Straight away you can enter the patient details. These all fields all are not mandatory. Whatever the fields you can enter. Rest if you don't want you can just leave that. You can do based on your unique requirements. Department, purpose of visit and consultant. If any referrals, if any remarks. This OP registration sheet you can print. This format will do customize based on your letter pad and you can print on a customized format also. For review patient, you can search using patient UHID, patient name, mobile number, area using any keyword. So if once patient details are entered, you can use it the entire software. We have given all the options. Update option, delete option and draft option. I am making one outpatient bill. Select the services and if any discounts and payment mode and prepared by. That's all. So as I told you earlier, it is very simple and software working very fast. We have given all the bill formats. This one for A4 of and A4 for thermal printer, this one for Dotmatics printer. Apart from this bill format, if you require any type of customization, we will do for your unique requirements. In the settings itself, you can able to change name, address, logo, all the things. For outpatient billing also, we have given bill alter option and delete option, and the management will get instant notification if any alter or delete is done. So this all edit option or alter option is under administrator control. We have given all the reports. So before that, we can see the model OPD master. You can create your own master and description and category, amount, OPD list. So number of patient, patient out, patient waiting, new patient and review patient. This one is waiting list, unclosed OPs, and OPD bills report. This works date from and date to. So you can generate report for 1 day or 1 week or 1 month, whatever you want. All the major report you can export directly into Excel. And major report you can directly print. Consultant wise report, patient wise report, category wise report, description wise report, this one is doctor fees report. Summary reports, consultant wise summary, and day wise report, most of reports you can directly print or you can save in any format like a PDF and Word format. Next module is inpatient management. First, inpatient registration. You can do entry by OP registration number or UH ID or patient name also. Similar like OP, these all fields are not mandatory or compulsory. Whatever the field you like, you can enter, all other just leave. And consultant, department, referral, An admission type, normal or IC or RTA case or others, purpose, and room number prepared by. That's all. You can print IP admission form like this. UHID name, and previous 3 admissions, last 3 admissions. This format we can customize based on your requirements. For example, we can add some field or we can delete some field based on your requirements. In IP registration also, you can change the admission date and timing. So administrator can do anything. We have given all the options. And IP advance. Select the patient and enter the advance amount. Payment mode. That's all. Advance receipt you can print like this. These also support all printers. For dot matrix, for thermal printer and laser printer. Advance amount also you can alter or you can delete under the administrator control. Then IP billing. Discharge date and timing, and select the services. And narration, if anything you can enter here or you can leave it. And discount amount, and here is advance details and payment mode and prepared by. That's all. These are IP bill formats. This one A4 and A4 off. This one dot matrix printer. So we have given all the formats. As I said you earlier, we do any customization in anything, not only billing, in prescription sheet, admission sheet. We do any customization and lab report in all the modules. We have given bill alter and delete option under the administrator control. Draft and the load option also. IP master. You can create your own master. You can create or you can alter, delete at any time. Reports. Yes, IP list. IP bills report. So all the reports you can directly export into Excel. Measure of reports. Measure of reports you can directly print or you can save as PDF and Word format. consultant wise list, patient wise list, category wise list, description wise report, doctor fees report, these are summaries, category wise summary, description wise summary, consultant wise summary. So consultant 1 and the summary, consultant 2 and then summary. Doctor fees summary, day wise summary, date wise IP list, next module is laboratory management. In laboratory management we have given two models. First we can see the first model. So this one is first model, direct test entry. Select the patient, consultant. You can directly select the testers and result itself. You can enter here WBC we have given 4-5 formats. Apart from this we do customization also if you require any new format. Format 2, format 3, format 4, and here itself you can alter, you can remove any test or you can add any test and delete option. Also we given drop and load option. This reporting time and collection time you can customize at any time, even after test submission also you can do update here. Now let's see the other model, that is category wise entry. Lab setting, so model 1 category wise, and select the patient, Select the consultant. You can search or select test list using category. For example, if you select LFT, so the test under the category of LFT, it will comes automatically. You can select all tests. We have given automatic and manual calculations. For example, if you enter total bilirubin and direct bilirubin, so indirect bilirubin will automatically come, or you can do entry manually also. We have given both options. Save and print. In this model also, we given all the formats. Format 1. So you can use any format based on your requirements. This page setup all will do customize based on your letter pad. So we have given alter option and delete option. This collection time and reporting time you can enter, or if you not enter, it will calculate, it will comes automatically. And we have given draft option also. And these are masters. First, department master. Then second, category master. You can create your own. So no need to worry about this test list, because we already have around 3000 lists in our database. During the installation, if you want the default test list, we can load. Even for pharmacy also, we have data. We have like 5000 6000 medicine database we have. If you give instruction during the installation to our team, they will do upload. Now we see only the demo data, test data. This one is test master. Category, test name, units. We given 4 reference value. Based on test you can use. These are reports. Patient wise report. So no need to worry about this test list. If you want, you can create your own, or if you want, we can load the default test. Next module is pharmacy management. We have given the complete features from billing to stock control and expiry control and tax reports and profit report. Let's see one by one. Pharmacy billing. Select the consultant, select the patient and select the drug. And tax percentage and payment mode, cash or credit. Credit for some claim or scheme patients. Attended by, prepared by, that's all. These are the bill formats. Laser printer. This one for Dotmatics printer. This is also one format. and we have given all the options like remove or edit quantity and bill alter option, delete option, bill hold option, and reprint option. So we have given all the options. It's very simple. Making one another bill. Select the consultant, select the patient, select the drugs one by one. That's all. Within a minute you can make the bill. Even after 2 lakh, 3 lakh sales also, software will work on the same speed because it is a lightweight process. Let's see the purchase register. Select the supplier, enter the bill number, bill amount, and batch number, purchase rate, MRP, and then packing 15. That's all. You can write this GRN number in your invoice so that you can search in future. It's a good received note number. In purchase also, we have given alter option and delete option. This alter and delete in all modules will work under administrator control. User cannot do anything. User can only entry the data. And we have given draft option also. Draft and load draft and remove option. For example, if your supplier provides any soft copy of your invoice, you don't need to enter one by one. You can just load directly from Excel. If you and your supplier both are using our software, then you don't need to keep like invoice or soft copy. You can directly download from web server using this web order option. During the installation, you can, if you want, you can give instruction to our team. Our team will guide you how it will works like that. Sales return. This is return entry. For example, if patient purchase 10 quantity, from 10 quantity, if they want to return like 2 or 3 quantity, that you can make in bill alter also. In sales entry you can make in bill alter also, you can make in sales return also, based on your requirements. Out of 10 quantity, if they want to return like 2 or 3 quantity, that you can make in sales in alter using the alter option, or you can make in sales return register. So based on your needs, you can customize the software modules. From our side, we have given all the options. Purchase return register, return bill number, in accounting terms, sales return and purchase return may call like credit note and debit note. This one is patient receipt entry against credit bill. Select the patient and you can make full credit payment or partial payment also based on the needs. You can print the receipt to your patient also, and you can send message also against the payment. You can send message like thanks for your payment, we have received your payment. That will be customized.